What's up, everybody? How you doing today? We have a special phone to unbox today. To be honest with you, I didn't do research on the Poco phone M3. I know it's not a new device, but just listen to me. This thing, if you really dig deep into it, you will find that you are actually working on a gem. Something with that value, no company can compete with the features that you're providing at this price. And number one thing is that have 48 megapixel. 48 megapixel, a Snapdragon processor, reverse wireless charging, and many things. I'm gonna just go through it. I'm just highlighting the major things on the Poco M3 here. By the way, 6,000 milliamp battery. So let's just quickly look at the box here. This is 128 gigabytes. This is the yellow version, and looks nice on the yellow, of course. And this is, as you can see, it's a 4 gigabytes RAM. Well, we're going now to open the box and see what we have inside. Right. So we're greeted with the Poco logo. Poco logo. It rhymes with it, right? Poco logo. And we're gonna open this box. It's all in yellow. Oh, we have a screen protector, or no, we have a case. Excuse me. We have a case, and it's a TPU case. Yep, plastic TPU case. Now I've seen this in real life. Like, I don't think it needs case. Like, it's something that looks really beautiful. Check this out, man. Looks like a taxi, man. It's like a New York taxi or something like that. But anyways, it looks amazing. Let's take out the cases, the stickers, excuse me. Let's take out this guy, so we can enjoy the whole yellow colored thing. Now, guys, this, how much is this? This is in riyals, in Saudi riyals. We're talking about like 599, like 550. So this is equivalent to $150. Yeah, around $150, $160, and you get yourself 128 gigabytes of greatness. You actually have, let me just go through it with the hardware thing. Wow. So we have a fingerprint scanner here that doubles that power, volume down and up. On the top, I believe this is a speaker, an IR blaster, and a microphone, headphone jack. And on the left side, we have the SEM ejector tool here. We can take this out. We're gonna see if it actually comes as. Let me double check. Oopsie. Where's this SEM tool? Where is it? It's supposed to be here. I'll double check. Is it here? Oh, there you go. Found you. We found you. We found you. Some ejector tool. We found you. Alright. So let's see what we have inside here. Oh, what's going on? Oh, we need to push it a little bit harder. So, number one, does it have a rubber band? I think it does. Yep, there's a rubber for like slightly protecting. Oh, whoa. Protecting the, whoops, man, I'm all over the place. Look at this. Whoa, it has a separate SD card. That's amazing, man. Wow, great job, Poco. This is great, man. This is going to be the multimedia device for me, actually, because a number of reasons, which I'm gonna get into later on. And also, if you watch my videos and playlist, I'm gonna drop a Poco M3 playlist with a lot of videos, of course. So make sure you guys subscribe and keep the bell icon on. So here, USB Type-C, beautiful, great speaker. Also, downward microphone. I'm gonna test the microphone quality, which is very important to me, actually. We have a small notch here, but it doesn't matter. So we have a 48 megapixel camera, as you can see on this side. And this 48 megapixel camera is actually pretty good from what I heard. Now, here's the thing. I'm not gonna use the stock camera by any means, right? Smart people or smart users experienced users, they actually download the Gcam, and the Google Cam works very good on the Snapdragon 600 series. So this is the 662 with the Snapdragon, and also we have 48 megapixel. That's a great combination. Oh, and it's a Poco phone. That's from Xiaomi, so you get some unlocked features here. Let's just start the phone and see if it actually have any juice. Oh, it actually works. Okay, so this is an LCD, and then LCD actually it's okay. It's okay LCD. It's not like the 5G version, but it's actually good enough for long-term use. All right, so let's just put this aside, and we have here this quick charge, and this is an 18 watts from the packages, but let's just give it a extra shot and see what we have. So if you buy this, guys, in Saudi Arabia, you get yourself the 22 watts, 22.5 watt max. You see that? You see this area over here? It supports 22.5, and I know this does support because it's different. So it's not an 18 watts, this is the 22 watts. Now, does it support the 22? I'm not sure. I know it supports the 18. Here's also type C. Okay, so let's just change the language. By the way, it's yellow because it's yellow. We're gonna fix this. Let me just try to skip. How can we skip? Okay. No, we cannot. Okay. Okay, I did. I don't know what's going on here, but anyways, let's just get that aside. We're gonna talk about that later on. So yeah, this is what comes in the phone. It doesn't come with a headphone or anything. It just comes with the charger and the cable, and of course the SIM ejector too, and the case. Let's just try the case on and see how it looks like. Of course, I have a setup of videos if you follow my channel. This case looks good enough and sturdy on the sides. Let's see if it actually covers the whole phone. Let's hope so. Although this is a nice looking, it's like a plasticky thing, but it has this, you feel like like a rubber feel. So it's hard to put in. This number one, it's really hard to install. Let me try not to break this thing. We'll destroy it. And let's do the other one. Man, I never thought that it's that tough to install this case, actually. Okay. So maybe if I just put it on the backward, it would work. Yeah, this case is tough to install, guys. This really tough. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. It's already in, but on the sides, you'll struggle a little bit to put it inside. And yes, okay. Now we only left with this side, which is really hard to. All right. Okay, it seems that when you do it first, you're never gonna take it out. It's like a lesson to you. Like you're gonna put it in, hey, you never let it go out. So, bro, this is tough. What the hell is this case? Is it this my unit, or it's like you really can't install this thing? It's really hard to install. Damn. Let's use the USB Type-C. Okay. Let's try to use the USB Type-C here and do some magic tricks. Okay. Yep, USB-C did work actually. Alright, so look at this toughness. It's very tough case, especially on the sides. This actually reminds me with the Realme X2 Pro that I have. the way the case curves in the front. So there's no way, or there's no any chance that would damage the sides also with the screen, because if it's actually lifting up a little bit on the sides, as you can see. That is pretty good, man. So I'm okay to put it like this. Thank you guys for watching, and see you more videos.